Again, an elderly man aged 62 years lost his life in a road accident on Monday. Name of the deceased is Abania Malakar. Likewise, 4 people are seriously injured in the incident. Incident occurred at Fatigroy area under South Tripura district. On Monday afternoon, a Bolero vehicle bearing number TR02E1925 while overtaking a truck vehicle hit an elderly man, and as a result the man died on the spot. Name of the deceased is Abania Malakar. Likewise, 4 people are seriously injured in the incident. After the incident, all the injured were taken to the nearby hospital. Fatigroy police seized both the truck and the Bolero vehicle after the incident, but the drivers of both the truck and the Bolero vehicle fled from the spot. Bureau report, Chini Khorang.